So hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Cristallo the Arista, which is located near Vishal Nagar, Pimple Neelakh, Pune and developed by Cristallo Infra. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Cristallo the Arista will be constructed on 0.7 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Tower will be having one basement plus ground plus 18 floors, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK duplex premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर शिव मंदिर, विशाल नगर, पिंपले नीलक, पुणे. ये जो रोड आप जाते हुए देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है ऑन द्राविड BRTS रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है कोकनी चौक विद इन 2.5 किलोमीटर, ऑन V-Mart विद इन 4 kilometer, on Dravid BRTS road within 4.5 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project. Project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like mini theatre, multipurpose hall, multipurpose court, infinity pool, kids play area, indoor games and senior sit-up area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Cristallo the Arista has 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex, 4 BHK, 4 BHK duplex premium residences, in which 3 BHK starting from 1210 square feet, 4 BHK starting from 1669 square feet and 3 BHK duplex starting from 2154 square feet and 4 BHK duplex starting from 1986 to 2705 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking window is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with a 3D model and will show the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Cristallo the Arista, which is located near Vishal Nagar, Pimple Neelakh, Pune and developed by Cristallo Infra. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में होकर प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link. And do like and share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.